How to use Linktree for business. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the Linktree platform for the business and also for affiliate marketing. All you have to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning to the end and you will be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to go to Linktree and then we have to sign into our account. If you don't have an account within a Linktree, it is very easy to sign up. Then we are going simply to see this platform. This platform is the landing page of the links or the landing pages that you have. This is a link in bio platform that will allow you to create a specific URL to let customers see here a link in bio or a lot of links that are combined with each other to make some sales. We have here the option to make some links and also we can go ahead and install our own shop. It is very easy to create a dedicated shop or make some links. Now let's say that this is the preview and we want to add some products to this page. It is very easy. Pick up first a platform that will allow you to make some uh, affiliate marketing like Amazon affiliates or Amazon, Temu.com, and for the digital marketing we have here the Gumroad, which help you to sell some digital products or create within it some digital products. Then we can go ahead and link them. Now, let's go back to Linktree, and the first thing that you need to do is you click on Add Link. Here on the Add Link, we have the Enter URL section. You have to put the URL for the affiliate link or the affiliate product, then you can go ahead and add it. For example, let's try this example with Amazon. I am connected to my account or signed in my account within Amazon, which has the affiliate marketing specialty. As you can see here, I have the site Stripe. I can get any product link that is affiliated. I will get some commissions whenever a person buys it. Let's say that we are going to select a product, then we are going to take some affiliate link for it. Here we have a lot of products that we can choose. So I'm going to use these headphones, for example. Now we have the title. I'm going right here to click on the headphones and then simply I'm going to save the images because we need the images for the thumbnail. Let's go back right here. Then I'm simply going to be on the top of the page. Click on Get Link Text, and here we have the text link created. I'm going to copy it, go back to Linktree. I'm going to paste that link, click on Add, and here we have our first link added. It will be shown right here in this phone. Now, for the title, you go ahead, you are going to delete that title, which is a random title. Then we are going to put here this title from the product page from Amazon. Go right here, click on the title, paste it. And for the photo, it will show up right here. Here we have the preview. I'm going to add a photo. Click on thumbnail. Here, set or add a thumbnail. You can choose from tabular icons or you can upload your own thumbnail. Click on here. Here we have the product. Click on open. You can go ahead and crop the image, crop it right away, upload it. It will not take so much time. Then we have the favicon of the products set. That was very simple for this first product. Let's go ahead and add a product from Temu. Temu also has a affiliate program option. When you go ahead to temu.com and you signed into your account, I'm going to scroll to the last part of it. Here we have the footer. We have under the company info, affiliate and influencer earn commission. Click on it and here it will take you to the affiliate platform. This event is not available in your region at this time. This is very easy. You can go ahead and bypass that page by simply installing a VPN to the United States and connect it. Refresh the page, then reload it again, and here we have it. we are on the Temu affiliate program. Let's go ahead and skip all the tutorials right here. Now from the affiliate, we have the affiliate platform that you can see here. You can go ahead and share the coupons or the bundles, the percentage of codes, and also the free gifts. Let's say that I want to pick an item. Right here we have the items. Click on there, and here we have a list of items. You can go ahead and search an item by yourself or simply see those popular items. Then we are going to select one of them. Here we have, for example, this extra large inflatable swimming pool. I'm going to click on it. It will open up a new window or a new page. Simply get the image. Right here, I'm going to save that image, get that image. But unfortunately, in the normal version, we are going to get that image as a web picture file. So to get the image on JPG or PNG, all you have to do is to download a extension called, right here we have the extension. It is called Temu Image Downloader. Then we are simply going to download that image from it. I'm going to make this image and see if Linktree will get and recognize this image. Let's go ahead and add the URL. Enable, or in order to get the URL, all you have to do is to go back right here with this page, click on share here, and it will pop up a little window. We have the share text, we have the exclusive deal, and the description. Here we have the item link. I'm going simply to select the item link, copy the item link, go back to Linktree, paste it, click on add, and it will be added right here. Normally for Temu, it will recognize the product and will give it a favicon. But in this case, I don't see it right here, so I'm going to modify the Temu. Here we have it. I'm going to put this title like that, copy it, go back to Linktree, modify this title, put it right here. For the thumbnail, simply click on thumbnail, set thumbnail, upload it from your computer as like this. Here we go. Click on upload and it will be doing its work. Now we have two products. Now let's say that I want to publish or make some marketing to my digital products. For this product, I am going to use Gumroad. Gumroad is a platform that you can go ahead and create an account with it. And here we have the option to create some products. If you want to create some products on Gumroad, here we have a lot of options. Digital products, course or tutorial, ebooks, bundle, physical product, memberships. For digital products, this is very preferable to use this platform. Now I am going to select one product of mine, and then we are going to make some marketing and add them to Linktree. Here we have this product. I am going to click on the three dots, or I'm going simply to click on the product itself. Then we are going to click on share. I'm going to copy that link. Then I am going to Linktree again. Add link, put the URL, add it, and I will wait for a couple seconds to get it right here. Now, here we have the title loaded, and we have also the thumbnail recognized, since the platform is well known. Now we have three products. I'm simply going to click on share, or I will get the live Linktree link. I'm going to open it in a new tab and see how it will look. Click on it, and here we have it. This is the title. Here we have the products, and everything is going well. Now, to customize this skincare routine and the logo, all you have to do is to go to appearances or appearance. Then we are going to wait for the page to load. Here we have the profile. You can go ahead and change the profile picture. You can go ahead and pick any picture that you want from Canva or from your computer, and you can go ahead and remove it. For the profile title, we have here the option to create a profile title and a bio. You can add some social icons. Click on this and it will add the social links. And this is going to take you to the settings. You are simply going to link these icons and you are good to go. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.